Stop making excuses. It's not about having time, but about creating time. If something is important to you, you'll find a way to make time for it. In the quest to master your time, remember that prioritizing what matters is a powerful choice. Each day is filled with opportunities to shape your life by investing time in things that bring you joy and fulfillment. As you make intentional decisions to allocate time to your priorities, you're not just managing minutes, you're crafting a life that reflects your values and aspirations. Take charge of your time and witness how small, purposeful actions today lead to a more meaningful and satisfying tomorrow. In the journey to reclaim your time and align it with your priorities, recognize the significance of setting boundaries. Saying no to tasks or commitments that do not contribute to your goals is a crucial aspect of time management. It's not just about making time for what matters, it's also about safeguarding that time from unnecessary distractions. Embrace the power of focus and learn to protect the moments dedicated to your priorities. By doing so, you create a space for meaningful work and experiences, fostering a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Remember, mastering your time is not just a skill, it's a mindset that empowers you to lead a purpose-driven and fulfilling life.